Okay, this is what happens when the batteries go dead on SweetiePie's train. He just wants to keep walking around the track.
He walks the tracks in search of his
Where's your train, SweetiePie? Where's your train? Where did it go? Daddy's putting batteries in it. Where's your train? My train. It'll be back soon. You are so funny. He walked all the way around the train. All the way around the track. Where's your train? SweetiePie. Wherever did your train go? Maybe it's around the back. Go look. Go look. Cupcake loves to dance on top of the mouse. SweetiePie patiently waits for his train to come back.